I am a fan of Shomadjozi. Hey guys, it's Booty Styles. Welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. So basically, I, Booty Styles, decided to go to Joburg just to go check out the Shomadjozi collection. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Like literally an hour late and I missed Shomadjozi, but I'm inside St. Edgar's and you guys should check out her new collection. It's popping, you guys. It's late. It's like Shomadjozi. I mean, yeah. Alright, so I found this shirt in the kitties section, guys. So I'm thinking of taking it because all the other adult things, I like them, but I'm in love with this one because it's plain and I can wear it with jeans. But I'm also thinking of doing a DIY video, so I don't know, we'll see. But I'm definitely getting me a Shomadjozi something at Edgar's. You guys should check it out as well. I did get a beautiful piece, which I love, which I think is very incredible for the summer, especially because hey guys, it's hot. Like I could literally fry eggs on the street. That's how hot it is. And if you haven't checked out my video on the DIY pom-pom ears inspired by Shomadjozi, why haven't you? Excuse me, why haven't you? I'll link that video in the description down below. She also released her first studio album. Limpopochampionsleague is now out, guys. Let me just play you a track that I love. So this is Corner. Josie. Yeah. Gone. Wait, then there's this. Ha! I mean, say it, man. Spin around. Your business was all over town. Spinning around. When I eat them, when I eat them, when I eat them, wash it. When I eat them, wash it. When I eat them, wash it. The beat. Ah, you see why I traveled all the way, guys. And when you see her perform all these tracks, because I've seen her perform most of these tracks before she released the album, I'm just there like, she really enjoys what she's doing, and I really love that about her. I also went to the Off-White pop-up shop in Braamfontein to go check it out, because I mean, hello, if Virgil Abloh things are in SA, of course I'm gonna check it out. As a street style fashionista, I had no choice. No videos or pictures allowed and whatnot. Sure, I get that. Guys, a shirt is like 5K. And I'm there thinking, so many people have been wearing Off-White. Yeah. So the trip was very successful. I also went to hang out with my homies. You see, with the girls, we get to do anything. I can be out here coming with heels and still rock that boys and bucks shirt.
I don't need nothing else but ako drunk ka may pinsan.
I also went to get a face beat. Woo, guys, that face beat was very, like, I've never been beat on my, like, ever in my entire life like that. That is a talent on its own. I've never seen a cut crease ever done like that to my eyes. Never ever in my life have I seen my eyebrows cutting to the gods. I'm at Urban Decay and look, just she be doing her thing right there. We'll have to check that video out. I'll put it up on my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. A hair tutorial for this dress will be coming through, so please comment any questions you have about that so that I can answer them on that video when I post it. With that being said, up with your styles and yo, stay styling. Bye guys.